Let's take a quick look at the Resample command at the bottom of the tool panel here in 3D Code Sculpt workspace. It works whether you're in voxel mode or surface mode. So let's say I want to resample the bottom section of this model. Currently it's close to 24 million. If I wanted to bump it up to 30 million rather than increasing it twofold, then I can use this command. I can also step down to any poly count that I want here as well. So you can drag the slider and notice how the estimated poly count changes. The bottom section here allows you to determine the resampling quality. If you are getting close to your RAM limit, then you may want to choose one of these first two options because they consume less memory, whereas these other two use more memory. I'll hit OK. The resampling time will vary depending on the density of the model. I'll go ahead and pause while it's calculating. Alright, so it's done calculating, and it indeed resampled to roughly 31 to 32 million polygons. You can access the resample command not only from the bottom of the tool panel, but also when you hit the space bar to bring up the quick access panel, you can access it here. And when you right click on the layer you want to resample, you can access it here as well. And that's all there is to this particular command. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.